Msbtc ban pensilori samla puli nagathai Nongstoin bakin Snam Sngewbha nakaliang Jingialang Federation of Khasi Jantia and Garo People Fkjgp harangkat ke Jingialang bat ke Meghalaya State Blood Transfusion Council Msbtc Shillong menta ke sengi kilayo ban Pynlong ke Jingialang ban ai jing percaya pajba Halor ke Jingai Snam badai ke Jingbha ke jongka ya ketika Jingialang ai jing percaya Halor Jingai Snam layo ban Pynlong haki artli ki jaka puli Nongstoin kata St. Francis DSCC College pada Nongstoin College. Hakaba Dr. B. Baman, Member Secretary Msbtc, Kakong Lu Gracia Shulai, Program Officer, Voluntary Blood Donation, Dr. Eric, in charge ke Blood Bank Nongstoin, Ubak Raknam Jirwa, Program Officer ke Msbtc, kila batai berpensyai Sngewbha, Halor ketai ke Pang.
Bagian bahasa nasional bagi yo yang sifat siap dan sama bagi Snam bagian bagian yo hidung iba koi iba kia kunjuru biru di dalam Sngewbha di dalam di kira dalam di rumah bang simbang di bete nang mungkin bang semat nah kita bang ai dan bang dunia di Snam Sngewbha nah benda kiri di Sngewbha Dikir hai jadi tentang kerja kepada kerja waktu lecikam Sngewbha lecikam di skrep di rumah di rocks di teknam kena jampi dan yo ada kata kajimpai cicak berkurang nang bila minum ting ban ai ya kesna di jampi dan depan kena kebakai kerja minum ting minum septing ban semat nama sobat air Snam biru di dokter ini sejak lupa yang yang Snam ini berdiri suban susin pincu yang Snam biru di lawan tidak cek ke Snam biru yang anak pemerintah air sanitasi lewat itu masa bensin ke Snam di dokter ini cek lupa yang Snam biru
voluntary. So what do you understand by that? Can anyone force you to donate blood? No, right? It is on your own free will. You can go to any blood center. You can donate your blood in order to save the life of someone who is in need. Okay? And then, the first thing I want you to understand is, donating blood is for a noble cause. Okay? Because still today we do not have a factory that can manufacture blood. Or can you go to a pharmacy and buy blood? Or to a hospital? Can you do that? No, right? You can buy medicines, you can buy any medicine that's been prescribed by a doctor. But once you say to buy blood, you will never be able to get it from a pharmacy or a hospital, okay? So today I will clarify all this. So, what is I've explained to you one of the criteria. The eligibility of donating blood is you should be 18 years and above, okay? In order to donate blood, you should be 18 years. Till the age of 65 years, you can donate blood. Okay? And then what is the second criteria? What are the things that you need to do? You need to know before donating blood. Did we just take your blood from you? No, right? So what we'll have to do is, the doctors, we have the technicians, they will test your blood, how much of blood count you have in your body. Okay? That is, they will test your hemoglobin. So it should be 12.5 and above. Okay, if it is less than that, you will not be able to donate blood.